In the fourth session, we, we have learned about multiple choice questions and we were able to identify the answers. Now we'll move on to the session 5, that is tie collar, full open, full arm shirt. Now we'll discuss about descriptive questions. Here I have given about 7 questions. Answer the following questions. The questions are set on the base of your syllabus. Question number 1. List out the measurements required for a tie collar shirt. So you have to make a list. What are the measurements you require? Tell me. The first one, full length measurement, natural waist length measurement, chest measurement, full shoulder measurement, sleeve length measurement, neck circumference measurement. So you have to write one by one all the measurements you need to make a tie collar shirt. Question number 2. What is that? It is about explain the method of measuring a tie collar shirt. The question number 1, it makes it tells you to identify the measurements. The question number 2, it is an explanation regarding how you are going to measure these measurements. So, how to take a full length measurement, how to take a chest measurement, this you have to explain in question number 2. Now, question number 3. What's that? It is regarding style feature of a tie collar shirt. Draw the style feature of a tie collar shirt. Color it using appropriate media. In which media you want to color, color it and just have a look about the style feature, how attractively it looks because it is drawn by you and you want to change the style feature, your pattern construction will also change. So give most importance for style feature. It improves your drawing, it improves your skill, it helps to create a new design, that is draw the style future of a shirt. That is question number 3. Go to the question number 4. Explain the suitable fabrics used for shirt. I have shown a video. I have given the fabric chart. Just go through it, identify, select suitable fabrics and write the uses, write the properties for what are the fabrics we are selecting to make a shirt, the too attractive shirt. Question number 5. List out the trimming materials used for shirt. Make the list of trimming materials you are using for a shirt. Question number 6, that is regarding cost. How to find out the cost of a shirt. You know it, the fabrics are available for different prices. The better fabric, the best fabric, the suitable fabric you have to select. Find out the cost, survey the market, just have go to the market and find out the price of the fabrics, trimming materials, and estimate the cost of a tricolor shirt. This is also one exercise for you. You have to survey the market, you have to identify the fabrics, suitable fabrics you have to choose. You should know the price of the fabric, price of the trimming material, and you write about labor, cutting, everything, and identify and find out the cost of a shirt? Question number 7, the most important question. So, question number 7 is draft a tie-collar shirt for the given size, that is full length, waist length, the required measurements, all the measurements I have given here, and even I have mentioned what's the working scale, that is also I have given. You have to draw the front part, back part, sleeves, and other components. You know it. I need to explain. I need not explain. You know the components, you know the construction, you know the pattern drafting procedure. Take a pen, take a paper, start with the scale card, draw the front part, back part, sleeve part, and once again understand the drafting construction of a tie collar shirt. This is regarding descriptive questions. Answer all the questions. These questions you have to practice, you have to answer. So you will be able to know, you will be able to understand very much about the tie collar shirt. Thank you.